So today is Monday. It's 8th of Jan 2018 and the time is around 7:45 in the morning and I am headed to my gym. That's Kian, my son, talking, and he just loves talking. So he's just talking. So I am headed to my gym. I'm having my coffee right now, and then I'll go for my workouts. So I'll keep putting different things that I'll be doing throughout my day, throughout my week, and I will put up the vlog very soon. Bye guys. So I'm waiting outside my friend's building. We are going out for dinner, just her and me. She's my school friend, my childhood friend, and we share a lot of memories together. And of late we've not been able to catch up much, so we decided that let's meet up and go out for dinner, just both of us. And yeah, I'm waiting for her. So there she is. I can see her coming. I can see her coming. And I am super late because I was caught in the traffic and she's been waiting for so long. Hello! That is Manrama, my friend. Hi. Say hi, that's my vlogging camera.
Don't tell me we are on live.
Yes. We are going to be on, you are going to be on my first vlogging video.
Oh, okay.
And this is day one.
Hello, everyone.
So we are going out for dinner, guys. So we will catch you there. Bye.
Bye.
It's the 10th of Jan and it's Kian's birthday, and we've had a crazy morning because suddenly my staff has just gone and I'm all by myself. So it's been a tough morning, but yeah, it's finally Kian's gone to school. He's going to celebrate his birthday with his school friends, and Raghav has just dropped him to the school, and I am heading out now because I have a very busy day today. Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock right now, and I have finally managed to upload my next YouTube video, which we shot. Actually, we did a photo shoot. I did a photo shoot with my sister, and it was a fun photo shoot. She's fabulous. So I did a small making of that photo shoot, and I was trying to edit it for a couple of days and I was so busy that I was not able to finish it. So finally I finished it today and I have uploaded the video on YouTube. Boys are sleeping and I am just chilling in my room, not in my room but in my home theater, and I'm gonna be watching this series on Netflix, which is Arrow. I'm on season 5 and I think I'm watching episode 13. And yeah, so this is my time. I'm just chilling all by myself and enjoying myself. And once I finish this, I'm gonna go and crash, and I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, good morning. I am today is Sunday. No, today's Saturday. Today's Saturday, and I am just rushing to the dentist because I've got very bad toothache since last night, and it's been quite bad. So I had a painkiller, but the pain is back. So I'm just gonna head to my dentist and show him and understand what's up. I'm just having my breakfast. This is like early morning breakfast. First thing that I'm gonna have my Kellogg's with nuts and all. I haven't been able to work out because there's too much happening in the house, but I am trying and managing to get time in between to vlog wherever I can so that I can complete my video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna rush to my dentist, and my day is completely packed because I have to finish a lot of shopping that I need to do for home, for my groceries and everything. Then I have Kian's friend's birthday party that we have to go and attend, and then we have a dinner at night. So way too many things. So I will try and keep vlogging in between wherever I can. See you guys. I just got done with my nails. I think they look amazing. Can you see that? I love them already. And I got my hair. Can you see? Yeah, now you can see that. And I got my hair done. They've been tied up right now because I don't want them to get spoiled. I just had no time to come back home and do it. So I've just done it from there, from my parlor, from my salon, and I've just tied them. So I will show you once I open them, and I'll show you the entire look. I love my nails, guys. I think they are so cool. Let me put it in focus. So I'm just at my mom's place to pick up Kian, and I'm gonna pick him up, go and pick up some gift for the kid that we are going for the birthday that we are going for, and then we're gonna go home, get ready, head for the birthday party, and from there in the evening we are going to go for the dinner that we have to go. So I will try and keep vlogging as much as I can. See you guys. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mama.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Kitty?
And how's my monkey?
Monkey is there.
Hi, monkey. Hi. And this is what he's been watching, his Peppa Pig. And there is Sansa, guys. Hi. Hi. Hi, Sansa. Yes, Sansa, baby. Hi. Hi, little boy. And that's my mom's house, guys. So I am going to catch you guys soon. I am here for lunch right now because I am super late to go back to my house and have lunch. So I'm gonna have lunch here. Yes, my baby. And I'm gonna have lunch and rush home because we have to go out for a party, for a kiddie birthday party of our friend's son, and Kian is super excited about it. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so I am here for a party, and I can't take my camera out because of some security reasons, but I just came to check on Kian, and I thought this was the area where I could use my camera, so I thought I'll vlog here. We are here for a party, and tomorrow morning, that's Sunday, what's the date? It's the 14th of January. It's gonna be a chilled out day for me. I'm gonna just chill at home with Kian, just figure out some house stuff that I need to do, and at night, mom and dad, my entire family, everybody's coming home for dinner because we're gonna celebrate Kian's birthday, which we could not on his birthday because of some prior commitments. So tomorrow is the day when we cut the cake for him, with him, and have dinner and spend so much quality time with him. So tomorrow is Kian's birthday celebration day 2. So I will keep vlogging, and I'll see you guys. Bye. So it's Sunday today, 14th of January 2018, and I've just not vlogged since morning because I've been so caught up with so many things happening with the house, Kian, and too many things. But I just picked up my camera so I could just vlog for a little while, and we are waiting because my parents are coming, my entire family, with my grandmom, my dog, my mama, mommy, everybody's coming. We are going to celebrate Kian's birthday today because we could not do it on the 10th of January because we had some work which could not have been ignored. So we decided that we'll do it today on Sunday because everybody's free today and everybody can come to celebrate it together. So we're gonna cut the cake, and I've prepared the dinner, which is dalma chawal, which is an Orient dish, and it's very interesting. I will show you guys how it looks and what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna just get dressed. I'm like in a mess right now. They'll be here anytime soon, so I'll quickly go and get ready, and I'll see you guys in a while. Everybody just left right now, and we had a fabulous dinner and cake cutting with Kian, and sorry I could not show you what I made for dinner, but everybody enjoyed it, I think. So I'm gonna end my vlog here, and I'm gonna put it up soon for you guys to watch my entire week. We had a fabulous time. It was a crazy week, and yeah, I did so much, and I had so much fun shooting my first proper weekly vlog. So I hope I can do many more and keep you guys entertained with what I do for my entire week. See you.